Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Gantt chart in Google Sheets. So here I'm on my drive on Google Drive and I want to create a new files of Gantt chart in Google Sheets. So I'm going to click on new and find Google Sheets, and in here, if you want to create a Gantt chart from scratch, that's fine. You can just click on blank spreadsheet. But I'm going to make it easy for you. I'm going to just choose from a template. And then here you'll find Gantt chart. This one's right here. Just click on that. And the template of Gantt chart will be open automatically like this. Okay, so Gantt chart is usually used for you to who has a project to monitor the progress of the project itself, and it will make your projects run smoother. And in here, at the template, you can just make some adjustment. For example, Gantt chart, uh, create project. So here you can make some adjustment, for example the project's title you can just change it, project one for example, and then the project's manager for example, and then company name. uh, I'm going to delete this. Oh, see, this is the Smart Sheet tab. A Gantt chart visual timeline allows you to see details about each task as well as project's dependencies. So yeah, it will make your project run smoother, and you can mark the progress also in here. I'm going to change the date to today's date, and in here you can just change each item based on your own project, and also the task owner, start date, due date. So you can make some adjustment when the task should be done, oops, or when the task should finish. And this is the progress, how many percentage of this task has been finished. So you can just mark the progress in here, week 1, week 2, week 3. So this is phase 1. So yeah, I think that's all. You can just explore the rest of the item. Okay, so I think that's all. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.